today I'm opening up that Bolo box monthly subscription. Check it out. They're getting classy. They got like stuff on it now. Not bad. Like, subscribe down below. Hit that intro. That's right, guys. I got that Bolo box monthly subscription. Let's check out what we got. This bag is like so nice, I almost don't want to cut it. But I must to get in there for what I want. Oh, look at that. I had a present sticker. Look at that. How pretty. A little present sticker. Is that a clue? I don't know. Well, let's check it out. Bolo box. If you don't know about them, the link will be down below. They do great YouTube work. They do FOC. They do, last call FOC. They do what's coming up. They're now spreading out to their own variants, which is pretty cool. That's congrats on them. They're actually bringing on other, other channels, which is also pretty cool. So, they're doing a lot of good stuff out there. I like them. They're fun to watch. Got another sticker. Love me some stickers. You know that, guys. I also love me, pull tabs. No pull tabs. How hard is it just to fold over an edge? Really? It's okay, though. I still love you guys. You guys are still good peeps. But pull tab would be great. Just throwing it out there. Would be great. Hulk rip. This Tyvek envelopes. Make them so hard. There we go. There we go. Boom. Okay. Which way do I? Okay. Boom. I see one already. I see what they did here. Okay. No one's looking. Didn't see, not spoiling it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 books this month. 4 books. So let's start out with this one. We got No Clue. To be exact, I think that's Everglades Angels. If I'm correct. It should be. Yep, Everglades Angels, Scout Comics, Frankie Comics, and Golden Apple variant. This book barely came out, and I already hear their specs. They want to turn that into a show already. Everything's going crazy now. Card collecting, comic, specs on comics. Comic barely even came out. They're like, you better hold on to number 1. It might be a movie soon. So that's an awesome Virgin variant from Frankie's and Golden Apple. Shared. Everglades Angels. Next is boom. Peach Momoko Virgin Yoda. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Now, only if I had the Ray. But that's a sweet. This is the Clone Wars. That's what it is. I always forget which Star Wars it is. It's the Clone Wars. Oh, Frankie Comics exclusive. He didn't even share on this. Oh, let me put this back in before I break it or something. That's so pretty. Me, Peach Momoko, I'm 50-50 on her. Some stuff is great. Some stuff I'm like, Look at that. That's a nice Yoda. I'm not going to lie. That is a beautiful Yoda. Whew. I guess I should have started the other way because those two were out of the park. What we got? Weapon H. Got Hulk and Wolverine in one. I'm showing it to you again. Weapon H. Last but not least is New Mutants #1. I definitely should have went the other way. Because very anticlimactic. And New Mutants #1. But once again, 2 bangers right here. Everglade Angels over here on this side. Yeah. And Yoda over here. This is a pretty badass Yoda. Not gonna lie. Should I sell it? Should I keep it? I need the money. But it's Yoda and it's so pretty. If I get Frank Oz to sign that, that would be awesome. Does he do shows still? Is he still? No, he's still alive. Anyway, guys, that's the Bolo box for the month of August? Or was that July? I think that was July. That was last month's. Awesome, guys. Keep doing it up. Keep putting up those great shows. Thank you for letting me be part of this. Once again, Weapon H, New Mutants 1, Peach Momoko, Clone Wars, Yoda, Virgin variant from Frankie Comics. Frankie Comics and Golden Apples, Everglade Angels. Thank you. Wear a mask, guys. Stop it. Stop spreading it, because I don't want to go out without a mask, because being fat with a mask, not pretty. Half the time I think I'm dying. Just telling you out there. Parents, listen to your kids. Kids, listen to your parents. Communication is the key. We'll all get along just fine then. Like, subscribe. Please comment down below. ChubbyPopChaser is out.